Yo.
What's up?
Come let us in.
Are you on the side door?
The front door?
Where's the side door?
No, go to the side door.
Side door. Where's the side door?
Where's your...
Coming in hot. What's up, man?
Why are you guys still here?
What? Because we're going to film our build video.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Oh, it's so good to see you. Jet.
Yeah, it's been like a few hours.
We have matching hats. It's adorable.
Are we letting homeless people in now?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Come on, give me a hug. Get in here.
Yes.
Big hug.
Oh, yes. So we're here at the Free Fly headquarters, home of the Alta X. And I'm helping instruct a Cinewhoop.
Out of short screws.
No, this is the proper way to do a build video. Is I tell you how to do it and then make somebody else do it.
We're out of short screws.
So just do threes.
I guess.
But yeah, so we're out here in Seattle. Rotor Riot thankfully invited me out to come do some Cinewhoop build videos, and then we're gonna fly this place, probably not tonight, and do some other cool stuff with big and small drones.
Why is that exciting? Because Cinewhoops are awesome, and we're gonna share it with the world, right?
Right.
You love Cinewhoops.
Yeah.
You're King Cinewhoop.
Everybody knows that already.
I don't know. I wouldn't count it as a given.
Drew, you're such a good director.
Cinewhoops pay the bills.
It's gonna go for a little while longer. Okay. Yeah, it's on one. It'll go for a little bit.
Making some progress on the build. It's going all right, going slow, as always when you're filming stuff, but it's still turning out great. And we are now wrapped up. We finised building our, I think it's this one.
Oh, thank you. That's
But yeah,
what you-
it's together. Needs a lot of software help still, but it was actually kind of fun to build it with the air unit only. But yeah, we're gonna wrap up and head back to the Airbnb.
Urban.
All right, we'll be back here at the Free Fly headquarters tomorrow.
Manana.
1313.
I'll have DJI recording now.
Holy crap!
Oh my God, the birds are bigger than you! That was so cool.
Bye.
And 13 minutes up here.
So right here at the RC Test Flight Field. Daniel Riley of RC Test Flight is over there, which is awesome. Like, I've been a huge fan of that channel for as long as I've been flying. And we're gonna do something special today. We're going to use those two foam things and that Alta X to make a flying hanging race skate. Like two dangling obstacles to fly through. That's pretty freaking cool. And he's gonna like program it to be like automated to just like move back and forth down this, and then we have a track basically where the gates are gonna be moving back and forth all the way up and down the field, which is freaking cool. So I'm really stoked to try that out. I'm super stoked to be here to meet Daniel because I've been a fan for so long, so I'm like kind of geeking out a little bit. I won't lie to you. And so we're programming the Alta to go fly, and it's gonna be awesome. Oh, it's wow.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a little floppy, huh? Yeah.
That's way better than I thought it was gonna be.
You know what? Actually,
What the heck?
what does that, what?
No, I said what the heck. All right, we're all wrapped up for the day. It was an awesome day of flying. I mean, I flew a Beast class, I flew a 5-inch, I flew a Cinewhoops, I flew an Alta X, a $15,000 drone. And you know, everything that we got was incredible. Like there's shots of drones going through these flying race skates, there's shots of the Alta X just by itself, there's shots of drones chasing drones and crashing and exploding. I have some, it's like, I'm pumped to go through. Actually, I'm nervous to go through the footage because there's so much that I have to do. But you know, once we pull all of that together, there's gonna be some excellent stuff in there. So can't wait to go back and look through all of it, share it with you, and stay flying.